storage. Ocado is a pure play grocery company from the UK. They've bought out their concepts to bring them in and start using this type of system to start using robots to build orders and start shipping and such. Again, it's a very expensive thing in terms of labor, in terms of how to do this. How this is going to work is going to be interesting. Kroger has a history of buying solutions from Europe, bringing it to the US, and then changing them completely. So we'll have to wait and see how it evolves. Chedraui Selecto in Mexico has a very similar approach in terms of making sure the entire store is interactive. The entire store allows you to check in. At any place in the store you can stop, have that particular order be taken, have it delivered to your house, or have it collected, taken to your register and such. Chedraui has actually made a very high-end store using this type of interactivity in terms of putting things up together. This is my father's store, should anybody care. Okay, a lot of talk fast, and I apologize. Any questions? It's time to go home, yes? I know I need to have a beer. I'm very much about that. So anyway, I want to thank you very, very much. I want to thank for my associate here as well, taking up the time. If you have any questions, I am on LinkedIn also. I answer all questions that come in through that way. That's the easiest way to find me should you want to talk to me some more. So by all means, thank you very much.